Nicole Monet here, coming at you guys with yet another try on haul. So today's try on haul will be Fashion Nova, and let's get started. Off the shoulder sweater. I would probably wear this with some black high-waisted jeans and some black heels, some black booties probably. This is sweater material. The next piece is this off the shoulder jacket piece, leather jacket. This right here was $49.99. I actually love this piece. Nice fall piece. These are the sleeves on the jacket. And just to move every way for you to be able to see it. And then there's also a belt. There's also a belt here. Do this. And turn around. So it's not really that long, but I absolutely love this. I would suggest that you size up with this jacket because normally I would get my jackets in a large, but with this one I got it in an extra large just because of the shoulders. I did order a large at first, but if it kind of snug on my shoulders and because I want to have it a while, I decided to send it back in a size up, so I got an extra large. So keep that in mind when you're ordering. And the next item I got was these shades. I actually wore these shades when I went to vacation in Mexico. But yeah, girl. Like, yeah. This work. This work. Like, I love these glasses and this hair together. Like, it's just a vibe. Baby girl, it's a vibe. Yeah, period. So yeah, and I actually got these shades. They were on sale. They are originally $9.99, but I got them on sale, girl. So this is the next item. It's a jean jacket. These are the arms. So you have the distress part here, and it's not a super long jacket, but I got this jacket in a size large. And I love how this fit. I'll probably get some New Balance 990s to wear with this. That's kind of like the vibe that I'm going for. But I love this for a nice fall jacket. And also the front, I wanted to show you guys the front. The front, this is how it comes. So, yeah. Baby girl. If you don't got these pieces in this haul, I'm gonna need you to stop the video, right? Stop the video. Go over to Fashion Nova and go grab some of these pieces. Baby, what you doing? Cute. Hot girl summer, yes. It's a vibe, period, baby, period. I'm gonna need for you to go to fashionnova.com, go grab these pieces, says we need you cute. Alright, so the next thing I got from Fashion Nova was these pants, high-waisted red pants with the gold. I am 5'1". These pants are a little bit long on me, but that's fine because once I put on heels, hopefully they will not be as long as they are. If not, then I'll just get them altered. So the next item that I got was these blue pants, and as you can see, these fit pretty good. I probably could have gotten away with a size small just because they do have some stretch to them. And down in this area, they tend to be or look a little baggy. But yes, I got these in a size medium, and the red ones are also in a size medium. But I love these. These have the big zippers here. Okay. But yeah, love these. So the next pair is the green pair, and I love this green color. Like this right here, I love it. You found the right top. So the pants, they do have zippers in the back of them. This is again a size medium, right? So now we have the yellow pair, and let me know, what do you guys think about high-waisted business casual pants? I love them personally, but let me know what you guys think. So I love the little chains on the side. Found a nice cute top to rock with this, but this is yellow pair, and this is a size medium. All right. So this is the purple pair. The purple pair is just like the green pair, and this is a size medium. I actually love how these fit. Again, they are the high-waisted pants, and they have, it's not like a spandex material. There's a stretch, like it's a stretch material, but it's not spandex. So they do give you like some flexibility, but again, these are in the size medium. And yeah, these are the purple pair. Alright guys, so that is the end of my Fashion Nova haul. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and make sure you let me know in the comment box what was your favorite item from this haul. And let me know if you guys would like to see other hauls from me. Let me know, do you guys like the haul?